Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to do perfect binding using a Hotmelt binding machine and some Hotmelt glue. If you've ever wanted to make your own paperback books, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First things first, let's switch on the Hotmelt binding machine. Add Hotmelt glue up to the metal arrow inside the container. Don't go above it. Peek inside to get it right. While the glue is heating up, let's get our book ready. We have our paperback book cover here, and you'll notice it has one fold on the hinge. With this type of machine, you only need to fold one side before we begin. Now let's place the book cover in position. Make sure the front part is flush against this side. Next, we're going to prepare the pages. To make sure the glue sticks properly, we need to grind the hinge area twice. This helps create small cuts in the paper, so the glue can seep in and hold everything together more securely. Now let's position the book for grinding. Make sure the front part is facing you and that the hinge is at the bottom. We'll use this lever to lock the pages in place, then rotate the book so that the hinge is now exposed on the top. This rotating blade here will roughen up the hinge for us. As it cuts into the spine, it creates tiny grooves where the glue can go, making the binding much stronger. Once that's done, we'll flip the book around and repeat the process on the other side. Take a look up close. You can see the scarring on the hinge now. This is exactly what we want because it helps the glue stick better. Now check the glue temperature. It should be 170 degrees Celsius. Once the glue is ready, it's time to apply it to the hinge. For thinner books, applying the glue around 8 times should be enough. If you're working with a thicker book, you can go up to 12 times, but don't overdo it. Too much glue will overflow on the sides. Now rotate the handle 180 degrees downward. This will press the hinge into the inner part of the paperback cover. Then, use the lever on the right side to create the second fold of the hinge. Once that's done, carefully remove the book, either from the top or the front. Both ways work fine. If you notice any excess glue, don't worry, it dries quickly, and you can just peel it off with your fingers. Place it back in the machine, and press the right lever again to reinforce the second hinge fold's adhesion. Let your book cool for 10 to 30 minutes, then check the front and back pages. They're the most important. If they're loose, the binding may not be sturdy. This perfect binding is just right. As you can see, although the pages don't open flat, you can turn the pages quite comfortably, and the binding is not very tight either. It's just right. We're almost done. Trim the excess edges for a clean finish. I'll show you how to use this ream cutter in detail in a separate video. And that's it. You just learned how to do perfect binding using a Hotmelt binding machine. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more bookbinding and DIY tutorials. See you next time.